Hey you, this is Jan from Aware Intellect. Today I'll share with you why knowing yourself is the key to emotional freedom. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. Mastering others is a strength. Mastering yourself is true power, said the ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu. What exactly means knowing yourself? By knowing yourself, you're able to make better choices in your life, from small decisions like how should you spend your day, big decisions like which partner you'll spend your life with, how to interpret behavior and actions from others, and so on. When you know yourself, you'll have the insights to know which values and tasks activate your willpower. You'll have the tolerance and understanding of others, and you can easily empathize with others. Knowing yourself is a journey. The good news about this time investment is that it allows you to really grow in the relationship with yourself. It's about discovering who you really are as a human being. The journey is unpredictable and engages you deeply with your self-doubts, deepest fears, and insecurities. Knowing yourself means revealing the deeper truth of who you are by being aware of your core values, dreams, and priorities, or simply what really matters to you. We all grow up with beliefs and values that are created in us by our schools, parents, or our friends. As we grow up, it can be very tricky to stick with some of these values and never really consider questioning whether or not you still believe in them or if there is any truth in them. Knowing yourself means to challenge your own opinions and beliefs, especially the ones who entered your life in your early age. If you're really interested in learning more about this subject and expand your knowledge, there's a link in the description below from Blinkist where you get 7 days free trial that you can take advantage and check it out for yourself. Writing. Now, just think of your writing as your mental healing camp. It will be one of the most important factors that will change your life. By revealing things from your past that you've potentially hidden in your subconscious mind, you'll see patterns and you'll have the opportunity to learn more about yourself. Self-knowledge means, first of all, seeing the patterns. Pay attention to how our words affect others though, because we often say critical things that can negatively impact others. Self-knowing technique. You can apply this self-knowing technique, which is made of 4 fields. Grab a paper and pen and divide it into 4 segments. Known field, the characteristics which you know about yourself and so do others. Facade, what is only known to you. The characteristics which you do not showcase openly fall in this category. Blind spot, the attributes you're not aware of, but your close friends or somebody else sees that you possess an incredible talent for something or you have a consistent bad habit. This blind spot is a very essential region, so pay attention here. And fourth, the unknown. Now, this region is where your untapped potential lies. Your subconscious intelligence is here. This is where you need to dig deep to get the limitless capacity to realize your dreams and purpose of life. The only way to really knowing yourself is to spend time with yourself. A lot of alone time. Get out there in nature or somewhere quiet. Don't let yourself to be distracted. Do this for as long as it takes and feel the positive changes happening. Asking and taking the time to think and answer these kind of questions can have positive transformational changes for you. For example, when do I most respect myself? What do I wish I could change about myself? What's stopping me? What are the things I'm proud of? I bet you can think of many more, but don't lie to yourself. However, people often cannot advance forward because they are frozen between who they are and who they want to be. Do not answer what you want to be, but who you are right now. Life on autopilot can harm you. Every event in your life may be a lesson about yourself. Unfortunately, most of the time, we're on autopilot. We react instead of act. Don't pay attention to our thoughts, motives, and emotions. We tend to judge, label, categorize, which is the basic version of the human brain. Living in this fast-paced world today, you have less time by yourself to think about what's important in your life. This is dangerous, because when you don't give yourself the time to really understand who you are, your decisions in life will affect you. We'll summarize that as you explore yourself, the more experiences you'll have. And the more experience you have, the more you'll start to really knowing yourself. By spending more time within yourself, you can learn a lot. That's why I think investing in yourself is the best ROI. Thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe if you like this video, and see you until next time.